you soon, it won't be long. Keep on, keep running.
Ah, ik ben los van de S gevallen. Oh, dat moest. Yo, take it easy.
Okay, we made it.
Nice work, Cody.
Thanks.
Oh, there they are.
Ah, ik denk dat ik geraakt ben. Take my hand. Nee.
Oh. What the heck, Faye? What do we do now?
Maybe this is our way out.
You mean to a quick death?
Ik krijg alles zeker moeten raken hier.
I have not seen the way out yet, mate.
Hoe? Met Jesse gehaald?
I'm
What the
thinking.
fuck?
Faster, please.
Ja, en die haal ik dan niet, hè? De makkelijke haal ik en die andere niet. Nee, ik bedoel de moeilijke haal ik en de makkelijke niet. Wat doet jij? Ik ga het gewoon opnieuw doen. Zijn we wel heel de game dus opnieuw spelen.
Did you do that, Cody?
No, clock tower, messing with
Moet wel.
Wie did it? Is er iets?
Nee, gewoon naar beneden moet.
Ja.
Cody! Come on!
Take this, Mark! Holy cow! That's a big explosion! Different!
Me too! I've had enough of you, Clock!
Yeah, let's do it, mate!
Maar nu zijn wij de poppers.
Ja.
relationship is now more in sync. Can you feel it? Huh? Tell me you feel it. Come on. Tell me you feel it, huh? Huh? Huh?
I feel stuck.
Hey, you gonna keep up your end of the bargain, Mr. Book of Truth? Uh-huh. Okay, okay. That's the way you wanna go? Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. You like it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, let's do it!
Daar bij de sales zijn ingezeten.
Blijkbaar.
Mom, it's working. Our cuckoo clock is working again.
Wat koekoeklok.
Niks doen, wat ligt.
Zij breekt hij haar been of zo. Hoe gaat het met haar knuffel?
Vanavond vooral het kind gaat dood op het einde.
She likes it when
Ja,
things are on time.
al die moeite voor niks. Die krijgt die klok op haar hoofd of zo.
Dat kind krijgt ook gewoon de kast en als ouders zitten te slapen, wordt echt voorbeeld van.
Letter B's number 1. Numero 1.
Dan zou ik letterlijk niks op.
Pieces to go.
Nee.
Are you ready
fucking
for piece number
mannetje.
2? And lesson number 2? No.
No.
Good. What else besides love makes couples stay together? Mortgage.
Kids.
No. Attraction. Ta-da! It pulls people together.
We don't need attraction. We're getting divorced.
Aha! That's because you lost it. But don't worry. I'll help you find attraction again. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. What are you doing? Don't like it? No. Okay, okay. You're entitled to your own opinion.
Deze.
Woo! Attraction is like a magnet, but you need both poles. North, south, plus, minus, coordinate. Yeah! This magnet will help you rediscover the attraction you once felt for each other. Yeah! One is plus, one is minus.
That's not how it works. A magnet always has both poles.
Not these magnets. Come on. Oh. Hey, bye. What the? Hey, where'd he go? What?
Hey. Why does this place look so familiar?
Oh,
Dus nu stel ik zo'n sneeuwbal of zo.
Hey, you recognize that mountain?
Yes! This is where we had our first skiing trip together.
Zo'n souvenir sneeuwbal van ski vakantie. Ja, kijk, ik dacht het al.
Get to the top of the mountain to receive your next piece of the letter. Yeah, what if we freeze to death trying to get there? Use your magnet powers and the attraction will warm you up, baby. Uh-huh, yeah. Feel that?
Die boek geeft me echt zo'n sausage party vibes.
Ja, echt niet.
What is wrong with that guy?
He's